says, why are you booping my tail? Because you're in the road, dude.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
You may have noticed when we cooked Thanksgiving that we had a relatively large turkey. It was 23 pounds.
Mm-hmm. We always cook something that big because it's really not worth cooking some teeny tiny thing.
Well, there's only 2 of us. Well, this year there was 4 of us.
Yeah.
But we still have a lot of turkey.
Yeah, and that's why we do on purpose, because then we process the turkey into other things that become other meals later on, and it's our version of TV dinners, you know, except way better. We'll freeze it up, and it takes just a few minutes to reheat something and have a really nice dinner again. And it's our version of TV dinners, you know, except way better. We'll freeze it up, and it takes just a few minutes to reheat something and have a really nice dinner again.
And it doesn't take very long to get it prepared to go in the freezer.
Nah.
I have a little snack for Jack.
Well, that's good, because he's prowling the kitchen.
Can you go ahead and get some bags set up, and I'll
Okay,
get Jack.
how large a bags am I going to need here?
Standard for the turkey breast, and I figure I'll get 4 packages of turkey.
Okay.
Come on.
I need a magic marker.
Come on.
Follow Dad. He's the one with the food, dude. I got the magic marker. They don't taste good.
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, we all know that it's the only way to really say what we're gonna say. If we rise up and try to make it right, righteousness is not a fight. They all thought that we would never learn. Consciousness will never burn. If we rise up and try to make it right, know yourself and you will see the light. If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach.
Oh, he has his snack.
Did you finally figure out you were going to feed him?
Yes, he did.
He's like, oh, Dad's got food. Woo!
When we initially butcher the turkey, I take off the 2 breasts completely. Now, we start eating on a breast and some legs and things like that, but the point is to leave 1 entire breast whole so that I can butcher it up for freezing. There'll be 1 large center cut and 2 smaller end cuts. Both of the end cuts would be a couple of healthy sandwiches, maybe 3 sandwiches. You ready?
Yep.
Large one?
Okay, I did not realize you were going to do it this way. This may not fit. Okay. Got something else for me to...
I do.
Drop meat on the floor. Jack will be happy.
He'll be excited. I'm going to save these cut-off pieces for sandwiches for today.
Makes sense. We actually haven't had any turkey sandwiches this year. Oh, come on. This thing is going to be quite...
Yeah, I'm going to put this turkey in the refrigerator for sandwiches. I have one more piece of turkey here to freeze up. And then I have some ham that I'm going to slice a little bit for split pea soup. Okay, let's stop that.
Yeah, there's times when it takes me 15 minutes to get one of these things to seal.
Does the other one work for sealing?
No,
Okay.
because you have to be able to vacuum it. And we don't do that anymore. The other one hasn't worked for vacuum reliably for years. I can try it again, because what the heck. But the concern is that it could accidentally seal. See, the vacuumer on this is no good anymore,
Okay.
which is why I use it for sealing, because it works great as a sealer. And it also allows me to seal right up against the, there we go. Let's put a seal right here. Okay, is there anything else I need to put in here?
If you really want something, if you want it, nothing's out of reach. Something, if you need it.
What are we going to do with the rutabaga?
We're going to talk about possibly freezing some of that for soups.
Okay, yeah, rutabaga is really good in soups. It kind of disappears. It's just be one of those things where you're going, wow, this is delicious, but I don't know what's in it.
I have some stock that I need to bring in from the cooler, the outside cooler.
Right.
It's freezing outside, so it works just as well as a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Maybe even better.
Probably better because the fridge is full right now.
So we're going to go ahead and put these pieces of turkey in the deep freeze, so they're all ready to go. We'll need to bring some potatoes and sweet potatoes out and freeze them up.
Right.
Or actually package them up. And in the meantime, I'm going to get to butchering some ham.
You might save some ham for dinner.
You want some ham for dinner?
I like the ham. This was a particularly good ham this year.
I'll save ham for dinner. I'm only going to slice up small pieces of this for split pea soup.
Right, right. Yeah, we love having good ham to put in split pea soup. He's cruising around hoping we drop something on the floor.
We did.
I did. Oh, Jack, there's more fun over here, dude. Yoo-hoo, Mr. Oblivious. Here we go. Jack, right there.
Right there.
He's like, oh.
He decided that's a piece of turkey.
Yeah. It
Well,
was a
thanks
piece of
very much
turkey.
for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, because We'll get a lot more stuff going on, including
Yeah.
canning some turkey stock. Doing some more freezing, getting our refrigerator a lot more empty so we have
Room
things,
in there.
room for other things.
Right. Yeah, well, it's that time of year. But that's okay. Lots of food in the fridge is wonderful.
Thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and don't forget to keep brainstorming because obviously we do.
And I have to get working on that tractor again.
Yeah. So much fun.